I am always out in the sun and often spend my time outdoors, and even though without any makeup on, my skin can be very oily and my pores are clogged. That's why before bed, I add on my new routine to deep cleanse my face with a device that has all the solutions for finer skin. The device has two options to choose from, gentle and deep cleansing. Not just that, this is the only device that comes with near-infrared light that gently heats the skin to temporarily dilate the pores and boost collagen. It also helps with anti-aging thanks to the red LED light. The silicone brush is bacteria resistant and super soft. It won't harm the skin or any sensitive skin. And it doesn't stop there. After cleansing, use the same device to massage the face by using their app for guide. I love this part because it reduces puffiness on my face. The microcurrent pin on the device helps firm the skin, so my face won't be puffy when I wake up, and I love the feeling in the morning, looking at the mirror knowing that the face is radiant and fresh. The new Luna 4 Plus is everything you need for a healthy looking skin.